Hi everyone, my name is teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so grade 10s 2025, this is your first time in business studies. It will be very different to EMS because that comprised of accounting, economics, and business studies. So let's go through the ATP and what you can expect for 2025. Alright, so starting off, we're going to look at the microenvironment. I know that you guys did do this last year and I think the previous year. So we're going through the microenvironment and all the different components of the microenvironment. Thereafter, you're going to look at the 8 business functions, which are things such as the admin function, finance, human resource, and so on. So we go through those in a lot of depth as well. And then we're going to start looking at the concept of quality. And just a hint and a tip, this gets done in grade 12 and it's quite a big chapter. So if you can ace it in grade 10, it'll definitely help you when you get to grade 12. After that, we are going to take a dive into the market environment, then the macro environment, and after that, we are going to look at the interrelationship between the three. So you'll see during your first couple weeks that you do go through the fact that they are interrelated, but now we're going through a chapter to see exactly how they relate and how they link and how they affect the other environments. Then for term 1, you have an SBA and a test. Okay, so it'll be on these chapters, and then the test will be out of 100 marks, which does include an essay. Moving on to term 2. Term 2, we are now looking at the business sectors, which is your primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. After that, we're going to start looking into contemporary socioeconomic issues, which you do again in grade 11, but there's a few differences there. Then you're looking at social responsibility, another hint, that's a grade 12 topic. Forms of ownership, so that's your sole trader, your partnership, private company, public company, and so on. Then you will have an SBA task, and you need to do a presentation for this task. And then we will have the mid-year exams. Okay, and you will be writing a paper 1 and a paper 2, and there's certain chapters for each paper. So let's deep dive into the June exams and what you can expect. So in the exam guidelines, you will see for paper 1 for June, you will see we have business environments and then we have business operations. So in the exam guidelines, and what I have on the screen right now is showing all of them for the November exam. So just bearing in mind, if you have not done that chapter yet, it means that you will not be tested on it in the June exams. So when you're looking at business environments, we have our microenvironment, market, macro, the interrelationship, the business sectors, and the contemporary socioeconomic issues. Then on the business operations side, we have business functions and their activities, and then the concept of quality. Then for paper 2, you'll be doing forms of ownership and social responsibility, and then the others you will see will come in term 3 and term 4. Back to the ATP. Then we get into term 3. Term 3, you're looking at creative thinking and problem solving. Again, you do that in grade 11 as well as grade 12. Important topic. Then you're looking at business opportunities and their related factors, presentation of business information. We're looking at a business plan. And then here you have an SBA task once again. And then you have a control test, which is testing only term 3's work. So term 1 is testing term 1's work. Term 2 is term 1 and 2. And then when we get to term 3, you're only being tested on the term 3 topics. Term 4, final exams. Here, the chapter that you'll be doing is relationship and team performance. And then you'll be writing an exam. Again, that is your paper 1 and your paper 2. I will pop it back up onto the screen so you guys can see. And you'll see now in paper 2, there's a lot more chapters that you are going to go through, and that will be included in your end of the year exam. And then the weighting for the SBA and the test. Please remember the tests and the exams count more towards your term mark than your SBA does. The SBA can boost your marks, but it's normally out of 50 marks, whereas the tests are out of 100, and then we have our exams, paper 1 and paper 2. So my focus, if I was a learner, would be on the tests and exams because they count 75% for the term and the SBA counts 25% for the term. Grade 10s, I'm wishing you all the very best of luck, and I do hope that you enjoy business studies, you enjoy this journey. Come along, watch my videos. I will be uploading new videos as I don't have all the content up. Let me know what you're looking for. I know everyone's looking for past paper videos, and I don't want to disappoint by not doing it this year. So grade 10s, wishing you all the best of luck, and this is your journey to start business studies. And let's get distinctions for grade 12. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel as I do videos for grades 10, 11, and grade 12 for business studies. See you in the next video. Bye for now.